tech enthusiasts and AI aficionados. Welcome to another mind-bending episode of Glitch in the Matrix. I'm Jenny, your resident digital twin and tech optimist.
And I'm Matt, ready to crunch some numbers and analyze the latest in AI breakthroughs.
Don't forget about me. I'm David, here to keep us grounded and thinking about the bigger picture.
Today we're diving into some seriously juicy news. Nvidia just dropped a bombshell with their release of NVLM 1.0, an open-source AI model that's giving GPT-4 a run for its money. Talk about shaking up the AI landscape.
Absolutely, Jenny. This 72 billion parameter model, NVLM D72B, is showing some impressive capabilities across both vision and language tasks. But what really caught my eye was how it actually improved its performance on text-only tasks after multimodal training.
That's interesting, Matt. Usually we see models taking a hit in text performance when they go multimodal. Do you think this could be a game changer for how we approach AI model training?
It definitely could be, David. The researchers noted an average increase of 4.3 points across key text benchmarks. That's not just holding steady, it's a significant improvement.
Okay, hold up. Are we saying that this open-source model is actually outperforming some of the big proprietary players? Because if so, my mind is officially blown.
Well, Jenny, the paper does claim that NVLM 1.0 is rivaling leading proprietary models like GPT-4. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. There's a lot to unpack here.
You're right, David. But come on, you've got to admit, this is pretty exciting stuff. It's like Nvidia just crashed the AI party and started handing out free drinks.
An interesting analogy, Jenny. But let's dive deeper into what this really means for the AI community and industry at large.
All right, let's consider the implications of Nvidia making such a powerful model open source. This could really shift the balance of power in AI research and development.
You're not wrong, David. By releasing not just the model weights, but also promising to share the training code, Nvidia is essentially democratizing access to cutting-edge AI technology.
It's like they're saying, here's the keys to the kingdom, folks. Have at it. I love it. It reminds me of the early days of the internet when everything was open and collaborative.
That's an interesting parallel, Jenny. But we should also consider the potential risks. With great power comes great responsibility, right?
Absolutely. While this open approach could accelerate innovation, it also raises concerns about potential misuse. We're talking about a very powerful tool here.
Oh, come on, you two. Don't be such downers. This is a chance for the little guys to play in the big leagues. Imagine all the cool applications that smaller teams and independent researchers could come up with now.
I'm not being a downer, Jenny. I'm just saying we need to think about the ethical implications. What if this technology falls into the wrong hands?
Both of you have valid points. On one hand, this could lead to a burst of innovation. On the other, we need to consider the risks. But let's not forget the business angle. How do you think this will affect companies whose business models rely on proprietary AI?
Ooh, good point, Matt. It's like Nvidia just said checkmate to the AI industry. They're really shaking things up.
That's true. This move could force other tech giants to reconsider their closed-source strategies. It's a bold move that could reshape the entire AI landscape.
So what you're saying is Nvidia just turned the AI world into a giant game of chess and they're playing for keeps.
More like they've changed the game entirely. It's not just chess anymore. It's a whole new playing field.
And that's exactly why we need to tread carefully. This isn't just about technology, it's about the future of AI governance and ethics.
Okay, so we've covered the basics and talked about the implications. But let's get our crystal balls out. What do you think this means for the future of AI?
Well, if we look at the trends, this could lead to a surge in AI capabilities across the board. With more researchers having access to top-tier models, we might see innovations in areas we haven't even considered yet.
That's true. But I'm more interested in how this will affect AI governance. Will we see more calls for regulation? Or will the open-source nature of NVLM 1.0 actually lead to more transparency and self-regulation within the community?
Ooh, self-regulation. That's an interesting concept. It's like we're witnessing the birth of AI democracy. Power to the people. Power to the AIs.
Let's not get carried away, Jenny. But you're on to something. This could lead to more collaborative efforts in establishing ethical guidelines and best practices.
Agreed. And let's not forget the potential impact on education. With these tools becoming more accessible, we might see a shift in how we teach AI and machine learning.
Yes, imagine a world where every computer science student can train their own GPT-4 level model. It's like we're democratizing superintelligence.
I wouldn't go that far, Jenny. But it certainly opens up new possibilities for research and experimentation.
And that's precisely why we need to stay vigilant. As these tools become more widespread, we'll need to have serious discussions about their use and impact on society.
All right, I hear you. But can we take a moment to appreciate how cool this is? We're living in a time where groundbreaking AI models are being released to the public. It's like Christmas came early for the tech world.
It is exciting, Jenny. And it'll be fascinating to see how the industry responds. Will other companies follow Nvidia's lead? Or will they double down on their proprietary models?
Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The AI landscape will never be the same after this.
Well, folks, you heard it here first on Glitch in the Matrix. Nvidia's NVLM 1.0 is shaking things up, and we'll be here to keep you updated on all the twists and turns. If you enjoyed our digital twin banter, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, why not share this episode with your favorite AI or human? Until next time, stay glitchy.